Hello everybody, welcome back. What a roller coaster, eh? What a freaking roller coaster. So I've been spending a lot of time on Twitter, actually, and yeah, I've been very active, lurking around the drama of the FTX collapse, and yeah, I've been following everybody's Twitter profile. I think SBF got hacked. Everybody's Twitter profile, and yeah, when this came out, I just want to show this thread, right? I think this is a very good step in the first direction. Sure, you fucked up, and we all make mistakes. We are not special, but right now he's getting a lot of flack, but rightly so. It's just that to be able to admit your mistake and to rectify it, I think that's a very good step in the first a very good step in the right direction. So I think that SBF is doing good by saying he's sorry. He should have been communicating more recently, give people updates, and be more transparent, your full story, your sense, your off choice, and it's not to say it's okay. You're you're the CEO of you're the founder of a multi-billion dollar conglomerate, and you have a heavy responsibility on top of your shoulders, right? So yeah, and I think that I can also see why he is dabbling into politics, because he wants to gain and curry favor from the politicians to make regulations that is crypto friendly. But again, it is a very slippery slope. Things can always go both ways. People from the crypto industry can actually hate you for it, because they may think you're trying to undermine the efforts of what people have been doing so far. And at the same time, with crypto regulation on crypto's side, it could be great, right? So this is a risk that he was taking, and of course you're gonna have to spend money. This is something, when it comes to politicians, they're all the same, so you definitely have to spend money, and yeah, so that's where we are. I'm getting sucked into this gossip nonsense stuff. Anyway, so I agree with a lot of things that SBF said in this thread, but there are two things which I disagree with. First thing, right? No, you can go it off by itself. Okay, first thing is number 12. He says every penny of debt and of the existing collateral will go straight to users unless or until we've done right by them. After that, investors, old and new, no. And employees who have fought for what's right for their career and who weren't responsible for any of the fuck-ups. So users, which are your customers, number one, that's absolutely correct. Number two should actually be your employees, because your employees are the ones who are going to help you rectify this mistake. You cannot put them at number 3. Only the investors should be put at number 3. But because you don't have leverage, right? That's why you say that investors have to be number 2. So this is something which I disagree with. It should always be customers, employees, investors, in that order. But I can understand why he's saying this, because you need to to return the money of your investors, and then only you return the money to your employees. But you're a few billion short. I think 9 billion, if I was not wrong, in the news. It's just that I don't think. I don't know. Anyway, it's a big mess. It's gonna take many years to fix this. So yeah, a long time, right? A long time to fix it. So anyway, do you know that there's only one person that can actually fire everyone in the company, from the CEO all the way to the cleaning lady or the cleaning man, and that person is called the customer. Everyone could be fired by the customer. So yeah, so nobody's going to invest in anything you do in the future for a long time, right? It takes a very long time to build trust, but it only takes seconds to crumble it. So SBF and trust, I mean, the word doesn't really go hand in hand. Not at the moment. And then there's another one at number 20, which was at some point I might have more to say about a particular sparring partner, so to speak. But glass houses. So for now, all I say is, well played, you won. This is so bitter from him. It's so bitter. It's like you went to him for help. He even tried to look at your, how big your mess is, and he, after looking at the mess, says that, I don't think I can do this for you. And you get pissed off with that. I mean, you can't take no for an answer. And yeah, so anyway, you're making yourself unlikable, right? And you have no leverage for against CZ at the moment. But hey, we'll be looking forward to whatever you want to say about that particular sparring partner of yours, right? And so I saw this article as well from eFinancial Careers. CEO of Alameda Research is a 28-year-old Harry Potter fan. So Caroline Ellison, I saw a video. I'm just going to have to share it with you. And this is what she said.
We tend not to have things like stop losses.
We tend not to have things like stop losses. So, in my opinion, anyone who says such a thing, you need to run far away from the person. You have to stop consuming this person's content. You can consume his content if you have a strong mind, a strong fortress, then yes, you can consume this kind of content, right? Like, not everybody can consume or watch horror stories, right? You must have a strong mind to be able to consume horror stories murders, a very gory, bloody type of movie. And I mean, what? Yeah, but anyway, my point is that how can you be the CEO, right, of, she's not a CEO of FTX, she's a CEO of Alameda Research. And Alameda Research is a trading firm. It's a trading firm. The CEO of a trading firm doesn't use stop losses. How dangerous is that? That is so dangerous. It's like, what? Any trader will tell you that stop losses is absolutely necessary to live to fight for another day. When it comes to trading, there's always two paths that you can take: the path of being right or the path of making money. These are two separate paths. So, this is. And she looks so young. I'm just like, how can you climb the ladder so fast? How can you be given such big responsibilities? But yeah, that's Caroline Ellison for you. Funny stuff. Anyway, CZ was where is this? CZ. Wait, he said something. Not your keys, not your coins, API key leakage. Yeah, and CZ said he never sold FTT, right? He still has a bag of FTT, right? And after SBF called him, he had he did the right thing by not selling FTT, but it's a very expensive call. Yeah, I agree. So, oh my god, that's just horrible. Anyway, CZ just 1 hour ago, as of me recording this video, he says that an industry recovery fund. And so this is what you call the CZ candle. There's a CZ candle that's coming 1 hour ago. Yeah. So this was the CZ candle. Suddenly, pew, there is a rally that came in for BTC. We'll talk more about BTC on the technical video. So I want to get this gossip thingy out of the way. Right, and just half an hour ago, CZ says he will have an AMA. So this will be very, very interesting. Very interesting. It will shine light upon a lot of things. But it is at 1:30 p.m. UTC, which is around 9:30 p.m. for me. So I don't think I probably sleep around 9. So I don't know. I might or might not be watching it. So if you are around, do give it a go. Watch it. Watch it. Or if you already watched it, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Let me know. And also the last thing is by Benjamin Josh. Right, Benjamin Josh says that making the numbers up, but the reality of crypto is less than % make life-changing money. 10% make life-changing money on paper. 20% make decent returns and sell. The rest make paper returns or none at all. The average investor doesn't make many. Absolutely correct, 90% of people just don't make money. This is just how things are. A dude who 10 years ago bought pizza for like 1 million bitcoins enjoyed his crypto wealth more than many crypto investors. People don't want to sell in bull markets because taxes, or what if my 5x becomes a 10x? Then all vanishes. All that stays is a gambling addiction and debt. Yes, sir. So that's why when you put on a trade, you must already have your exit levels set, which means that if things are going your way, you must get out, regardless of, the elevator might go to the 100th floor, but you already have a target for the 60th floor. You need to get out at 60th floor, and you don't care about what happens after, unless of course there are continuation chart patterns and you can continue taking the ride at the maybe 80th floor, and then you get out at the 90th floor, right? And then if there's another opportunity that comes in, maybe you can get in at the 92nd floor, and then you get out at the 96th floor. You don't wait until the 100th floor before you get out. So this is how you do things, and you need to secure your profits, because you just never know when things might just start, the elevator might just start crashing down, and nobody can get out in time, and so there'll be a very huge slippage if and when that happens. So always get out when the target is hit. You must have a proper trading strategy to be able to know when is the right time to make an entry and when you should get out. By the time I make my entries, I already know where I'm going to get out. Whether if I'm wrong or whether if I'm right, I already know. The boys and I already know where we're going to get out. So this is how it works. This is how it freaking works. And you must have stop losses. You can't just... Please don't follow this. This is a very bad example. So imagine if, let's say, for example, right, FTX did not collapse. Everything is all sunshine and rainbows, and Caroline Ellison is, says these kind of things, and people follow her and don't put stop losses, and so that's why 90% of people just don't make it. So it's very unfortunate, right? So I guess that's it for the gossip part of things. I don't know if I should be doing this or not, but I just wanted to talk about it. So there you go. All right. I guess I shall see you in the next one. Alright, see you. Tell me if you like to see videos like this though, but anyway, see you. Ta-ta.